Welcome everybody to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design the logo. Notice for this business right now, if you open it, you can see we don't have any brand. So they have just text, adult towing service. This is the number. And that's it. They don't have like logo. They don't have brand. So we're going to work on developing that for this business. So the first thing I want to go to canva.com and sign up for our account, and then I'm just gonna create a new design. I'm gonna choose logo. So once you choose logo, you're gonna open up a new page. Let me show you the page that you're gonna open. So this is the page. It's gonna be empty like that. We need to generate logo ideas. So you can go to elements here. You can go to logo, and you choose from logos. Let me go to the other part here. We have design, and from design we have like templates. All right, so in the template, in the design, you can search for logo. All right, so once I search the design, the templates, the design, I got all these logos. So I can search for logo, for example, logo towing. So you're gonna see all these options as logos for towing. All right. So for example, let me choose this logo. All right, and here just gonna go here and choose adult towing, and then I choose like Kenner. All right, and then I might change the the background, the colors, and rest of things. So this is the first option. You can select this logo, go share, download, and then choose this selected page. You just deselect all the pages, then select current page, and then you download this as transparent background. You might increase the size and download it and use it as your own logo. This is the first option. Second option is to go to a tool here in Canva, and this tool is called Magic Media. So you go to the Magic Media and you just type a prompt. So make 2D logo for adult towing. All right, and I'm just gonna choose generate. And once you generate the logo using the Magic Media, you're just going to generate ideas for your logo. And for example, you're going to receive a lot of combination, a lot of ideas actually, and you might choose from them. For example, let me choose for this one. If I like it, I can go with it. So I can generate more like this. So by selecting the appropriate option here, I can generate more like this logo. All right. So I can also make here towing truck. New truck actually, and I can type Kenner, the word Kenner, and generate again. Alright, so you can choose any of these options actually. For example, I want to go with this option. I click on it and I got that logo idea. Alright, I can go that logo idea. So let me show you what I did here. I actually tried different combinations at first. I got this truck. It's generated from this Magic Media. I got this option, and this option. So from these options, after multiple tries, I got this idea from the Magic Media. So I like this logo. You can see over here, I like this one. And I send it to the client. What about this one? He said, okay, this concept is great. So I started working on it. And then based on that concept, he said, the client said to me, okay, I need to have like multiple, based on this budget, I need to make like multiple ideas. So I created this one, and that one, and send it to the client. And the client said, okay, I need the first one. And the first one was this one. Okay, this one. This one the client liked it the most. So I worked on this concept using Adobe Illustrator. I'm not gonna show you how to use Adobe Illustrator, but I'm gonna show you, because you need to hire a graphic designer in order to convert this idea from this shape into this shape. So we have to redraw the vehicle. So we got this one, as you can see. We have to redraw it, and finally we get this shape. All right, and finally we got this logo. So this is basically text. You can see it's text. All right, and this is a logo. So we use this badget in order to create the logo. And after you go to this step, you can copy this into Photoshop. For example, you create a new layer or new document. Let's say I want to create whip. Let's say I want to have the maximum all right, logo. So create a new document here. This is R4. Let me go with new. Let's go to international paper A4, for example, and I can create a new layer here and paste that design using pixels, and that's the logo. That's the current logo that I have. So what I can do here, basically, select this logo and then choose crop. And notice here the size, it's very big. It's 1840 times 2212. I'm gonna use that, save it as PNG using Photoshop. Alright, so as you can see, logo big. So this is the logo big size. I'm gonna minimize it a little bit, image size, go to size, different size like pixel, choose pixels, and let me choose 1000. All right, 1000. Oh, it's too big, so let's say 800 times 962, and then gonna save it as PNG. So this is logo small. All right. Alright, so this is the logo. This is our logo. So we designed it from the ground up. We can create different variations for this logo, actually. So if you copy the logo from here, alright, so this is the responsibility for web designer or web developer, or graphic designer, actually. So let's change the combination. So for example, I need to choose on gray background. Alright, so let me choose like here. Oh, this is a stroke. Alright, so let me, for example, go here, choose different ideas. I'm gonna use the same logo but with different colors. That's the concept. Or this is a vector-based design, so we could customize it to the way that we want. And we might change this as well, so let me choose white. And for the stroke color we might choose something else. Alright, so you might have different combinations actually if you want to. And we might go with this color actually. I like it the most. So this is like a different version from the, for the logo. Actually you can change the different combinations of the stroke around the logo. But yeah, this is like a version of the logo. This is another version of the logo. Alright, so you might save this logo as the same way. You just select the design and then go to the design that you have and just paste it over there. Alright, so this is a different combination of the logo. You might resize it. For example, to this way. Right, cool. That's really perfect. So I'm just gonna save this. And it's PNG, say logo small, just gonna be gray. So this is another logo for the website. Alright, the last thing is to create a square logo. So what I mean by square, square is basically 1200 space times 1200. So you're gonna get your own logo. Okay, so we're gonna get this logo from here, the main logo that we created, and centralize it in the middle of square. Centralize it in the middle. So how you can know if you centralize in the middle or not, you just get in Photoshop, you add a circle, and after you add the circle, you just try to maximize the circle. So this way, we just centralize it. And I go to transparency here, Photoshop. I'm gonna make sure that this logo is in the middle. So I'm gonna click on, do some settings here. I know if you couldn't do this, you need to hire a designer actually here. So this is very important. So I just centralize it in the middle. I need to make it a little bit smaller, like that, and then take out the circle and save this logo. So we're gonna create PNG. We're gonna click here, square logo. Square logo. So this is gonna be a square logo for our website. And you can add a different combination. So you can add some transparency in the background, or something like that, and make it as a GBG color. So before that, let me make sure that we got the right combination, get the right color from a certain edge. Alright, and then I'm just gonna save it as PNG or GBG square. All right, so this is the logo actually with different combination. We're gonna use it actually, so I can open this website, new tab. All right, so this is the logo big, square, and square logo. So I'm gonna use this logo in my website, in the new website, in the next video. If you need to have someone to design the logo for you, you can use Canva for free. Or if you need more, if you need like professional option, always you can go to the Greenbacking website. We have a service here called custom logo design. Let me search for it. Logo. All right, here, logo design, and under marketing and SMS 11. You go to logo design. You can select the best option for you. You need to have 2 different options, or 3 different options, or 4 different options for $100 or $200. So that's an option that I can help you out in order to design your own logo and have a unique and careful design logo for you. Or you can do it by yourself for free. Thank you for watching. See you next video.